I genuinely feel like Milan doesn't get the respect that it deserves, but I'm going to show you all the best parts of Milan because it is such an amazing city. This is my second time visiting Milan, and I feel like I really have the best finds in terms of food, drinks, and just spots overall. So come with me as I take my beaux abroad. I took the Trenitalia from Florence to Milan. It was literally the easiest 2-hour trip. We are now in Milan. I'm so excited. I loved Milan last time I was here, so I'm so excited to be back. Time for me to get my gluten-free cannoli, hopefully, fingers crossed. Limited options because it's kind of late, but we found this cannoli shop, which was literally a 2-minute walk from our hotel, 7BA. And I both got our cannolis. Mine is gluten-free, Nose is gluten-full. Here it is. I don't want to pick it up too much, but I'm going to give mine a try.
Much better than this morning?
Much better. Ammu Cannolis.
Okay, I did one small pistachio, one small vanilla chocolate chip.
Good, right?
Very good.
Well, very good cannoli. Highly recommend, especially if you're gluten-free. This is a gluten-free cannoli, and it is beautiful. A nice crisp shell, and she filled it right in front of us, so plus for that. Very good. I really love Milan because it's so fashion forward. It's literally the fashion capital of the world. So we headed out to explore. Now we're going to check out the bags at Ferragamo in Milan. I actually started our morning off in Florence and went to the Ferragamo museum there. That's in my last vlog, my Florence vlog, if you want to check that out. I was debating getting my hug bag, which is this gorgeous pink color there, but I didn't want to carry it out on the train and deal with it. Yes, Milan is the place to go shopping. Look at how adorable this bag is. I was really happy with this purchase. I got an extra small hug bag. However, it was Festa della Repubblica, which happens on June 2nd, which is the Italian Independence Day. So my initial plan of going to all these small vintage shops was destroyed just a little bit. I was so happy with this bag. I've had my eye on this bag for a while, and it actually costs less to buy in Italy. Just a mix of the tax refund, and it's just cheaper to buy an Italian designer in Italy. Behind us is their gorgeous bank, and I got a Ferragamo bag. I didn't think I was going to go home with 2 new bags, but damage has been done. I got the most gorgeous hug bag, and I'm so excited to continue exploring Milan because it is just so pretty here. Even this little alleyway is so pretty. And what is a trip to Milan without going to the famous Duomo? We are now in front of the Duomo. Ginormous, so gorgeous. It's pretty crowded, but not as crowded as it would be in like in August or July, since we were going in the beginning of June. And wow, so amazing. A must see. And here is the full version. Wow. Milan is actually located in northern Italy, so you can see a lot more of the Swiss influence in their architecture. Galleria Vittorio Emanuele is the name of this gallery. It's Italy's oldest active shopping mall, and it actually is home to the first Prada. We are now in Milan's gallery, so this is where all the luxury shops are. It is so gorgeous. You have the original like Prada store in here, and all of the luxury stores. There's obviously more outside. That's where I got my Ferragamo bag, but there's a bunch of major ones in here, and it's just so beautiful, as you can tell. Now we are off to dinner. I'll show you the restaurant because I probably won't say it correctly. As you can tell, I'm still working on my Italian, but I'll put the name of this restaurant on the screen because it was like a life-changing experience. Probably one of the best restaurants I've been to in the whole world. Also are so accommodating and brought out a gluten-free bread basket for me and a regular one for the boys. It is just so pretty in here. We got the rabbit, and I got a sparkling rosé, and Noah got a nice white wine. And yeah, his bread basket, my little bread basket, some olive oil. Looks amazing. I'm going to try the rabbit that we got. Looks really good. is very, very good. I actually really like that.
Was our appetizer absolutely amazing. I absolutely love rabbit now, but the wine selection there is also just so good.
So I got some pasta with an octopus ragu. Yes, octopus. It looks so good. There's a Noah's pasta. There's Chris's pasta.
There you go.
This meal is amazing. This is like the best pasta I've had in my entire life. It's so good. Like literally, like I want to drink the sauce. And here is my dessert, and I got some dessert wine. It looks so good. So I got a little hazelnut cake, and Noah got an apple tartine. I think it looks really good.
It's beautiful.
This restaurant is so good. We are walking home and just get to see the Duomo lit up, which is always so amazing. So definitely, if you come to Milan, come at night, look at the Duomo all lit up. It's beautiful. We have our final day of the trip, and I guess day 2 and first full day in Milan. My little capris and my gang on top. But anyhow, we have a lot of walking lined up, which isn't ideal for the rain, but it'll still be so fun and such a great day, and we're just gonna enjoy, you know.
We decided we wanted to just stop at a random cafe that was near us because it started to downpour on us.
I got my double espresso, my little Greek yogurt bowl, my little smoothie. Yum. And now I'm having my little Greek yogurt bowl and a little smoothie. I just had my espresso. So good, as per usual. Ready to start the day? We're just kind of walking around. It's obviously raining outside, so could be a little more enjoyable, but the rain has really lessened up, and you know, just getting those steps in. You can see over my umbrella, which I'll take off for a second. We are by Tree Villa Park, so you see that big green thing. I'll give you a better view in a sec. But they're just like apartment buildings, and it's a cool building. And every time you go to Milan, someone says to see it. So I'll show you guys, give a view before my umbrella breaks on me.
I don't really understand the hype behind this thing. It's kind of random, but our friend Chris wanted to see it, and it was his first time in Milan, so we had to show him all of the popular spots.
We are in the Brerra area, and we're about to go and see the castle, so I'll go and show you guys in 1 second. But it is so gorgeous. I love all the architecture here. Now we are at the castle. Noah's gonna give us a history lesson.
No. not a history lesson, just the name.
Oh.
Castello Sforzesco. Did you look it up, Chris?
And here it is.
Oh, I meant to.
So pretty and not that busy right now because it's earlier in the morning, kind of rainy, but very pretty.
This castle was actually originally built in the 14th century by the Visconti family, but ended up being rebuilt in the 15th century. It actually holds Michelangelo's last sculpture, which ended up being unfinished.
We didn't get into the museum, but we're on like the inside of the castle, and obviously, as I said, there's a museum, but we're just kind of walking around for now. So now we are in Sempione Park, and it is right by the castle. Hi, Noah. And we're walking down this cutesy little street. It's just so adorable. We are walking over to get some pizza. It is like pouring rain, but almost there. And gonna get some quick bites. The umbrella is really difficult to navigate. So Noah and I are gonna split our gluten-free pizzas. They look good. We got one with like a buffalo mozzarella. I think that's what it is, right?
Yeah, it's like a margarita, but with the buffalo cheese instead.
Looks good. And then we got one with like eggplant, zucchini, just a bunch of veggies. So excited to try. And here are the pizzas. This being recorded on Noah's iPhone because mine is charging. So we got his tiramisu. Show them your tiramisu. There's the tiramisu. He's gonna give it a little try as a professional tiramisu taster.
Okay. Let's see. Very nice. You get a little bit of espresso taste. You get the nice cream and the chocolate. Much better than the one that we had before, which was
not good. Now we are back walking through the park on the way to Camparino, which is where Campari was founded. So it's stopped and go on a nice little walk. The rain has slowed down, thank the Lord. It was so bad when we were walking there, but much better now.
Milan is such a big business hub in Italy, but it just still has that kind of authentic European feel. I really do love it there.
Here we are. We are right by the Duomo and trying to make it through all the rain. And now we're looking at Camparino. We're currently at Camparino, where Campari was first founded, and they have a bunch of different cocktails, all with Campari. There's some Campari classics and some more sweet ones. So whatever you're feeling, it's right in the Galleria, the big shopping area right next to the Duomo. It's a great view, which I'll show you in a second.
That is a cool view.
I'm also on my way to the bathroom, and they have like almost like this little museum on the staircase, which is really cool. But I love Campari. I'm gonna get the Campari spritz. That's my favorite here. And yeah, I really highly recommend it. It's a little more elevated. Each drink is about 19 euros. Here are our drinks. Here's my Campari spritz and the little snacks they give. So good and such a great view.
We headed back into the gallery and Noah did a little bit of shopping.
Noah just got an Armani tie.
Very nice.
Very bougie.
Noah just made a purchase at Armani, and we're right by the Duomo. We're gonna walk and get some gelato. Our favorite Affogato place is sadly closed today because it's their Republic Day, but we found another place to try out some gelato and see what's good.
Ciacco is a trendy gelato place in Milan. It was good. They have some cool flavors. It wasn't my favorite gelato though.
Got our gelato. They have very unique flavors here. I don't even know what I got, but it's pretty good. Really pretty good. Not Umberto, which is where we're trying to go for Affogato, but they're closed today. They're still good.
We had to take shelter again, so we went to this place called STRAF Bar. It's actually really cute, and they give a little aperitivo box.
We're at STRAF Bar, and I'm having my Prosecco. We are now on our way to dinner, and it is literally the same place we went last night because we liked it so much we canceled our other reservation to go back to the place we went last night. So excited. Some of our last views of the Duomo. It is just so gorgeous. The details on there are just insane. Like, so beautiful. We are now entering the side door. Oh, here it is, right? That's not it. We're trying to find the side door for our dinner. We are now in the basement. So cool down here.
Never do this, but we went back to the same restaurant we went to last night and literally ordered the exact same meal.
Cheers to our last night of our trip, our last night in Italy. We're now heading to the airport to go back home, and concludes our trip.
It was such a sad experience going back to the Milan airport after my 2-week trip to Europe. It really was a dream come true, and I am so grateful I got to take this amazing trip and take you guys along with me. I have so many more travels planned, including a trip to San Francisco, Napa, and Sonoma, so stay tuned and be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm really working towards building my YouTube up and building a community, so it'd mean a lot if you just liked, commented, subscribed, all of the things. Plus, you do not want to miss the upcoming content. I'm just so excited to keep filming. As per usual, I will see you next time when I take my bows abroad.